hello? Like I'm down. Like hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to learn how to say I'm down in Spanish. The way for saying I'm down is jalo. This is an informal expression. Let's check the following examples and the answers, of course. Let's go to the movies, okay? Vamos al cine. Va. Jalo. Do you want to go to have a drink? ¿Quieres ir a tomar algo? Jalo. I'm going to the park. Do you want to go? Voy al parque. ¿Quieres ir? Jalo. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast and visit www.talkinginspanish.com. Hasta luego.